In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add file in Bitbucket Repository. Whether you're collaborating on a project or working independently, knowing how to properly add and organize files in your repository is essential for maintaining a clean and efficient workflow. First, navigate to your Bitbucket Repository's homepage. Once you're there, open the repository where you want to add the file. From the main menu, click on Source. This section allows you to view and manage all existing files in your repository. Inside the Source section, look for the option to Add File or Create New File, depending on your interface. Click on it to begin creating a new file. This will open a blank editor. In the File Name field, enter both the folder path and the file name. This is important because Bitbucket will automatically create any folders that don't already exist. For example, if you want to create a file inside a nested folder structure, you could enter folder1/folder2/myfile.txt. This tells Bitbucket to create folder 1, then folder 2 inside it, and finally place myfile.txt in that location. Once the file name is set, add some content to the file. Even a short placeholder or comment is enough to initialize it. Next, scroll down to the Commit section. Enter a brief commit message describing the change, then click Commit to save your work. This step finalizes the file and folder creation in your repository. To recap with a quick example, go to Source, select Add File, enter myfolder/myfile.txt as the file name, add some content, and commit the change. Bitbucket will automatically create the folder and add the file inside it. And that's it! You've successfully added a file to your Bitbucket repository with a clear and organized structure. As you continue working with Bitbucket, this skill will help you manage your projects more efficiently and collaborate with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!